going on, guys? Just completed our Monday trade session here. Coming back fresh on the week. It's Monday the 13th. Didn't have a lot of action today so far. Very choppy, very static. The market's got to digest all this tariff news, guys. It's got to take into consideration what China's playback's going to be, and there's going to be lots of sideways action. Not really helping us out with our trade action. So I'll go over a couple small calls that we had today. We just kind of let the market play what it wanted to play. Used a few levels. Real extended, so you don't want to short into heavy extensions, and real timid on the investors coming back in for buy-ups, right? And a lot of tariff news, so not a lot of buyers either. So static chop, a lot of this stuff's just dojiing, floating on the daily chart, way up in the sky. So the only one real trade today I took 5 contracts short on LYFT for a start, looking for an early Dumpsky and continuation. I let it chop out here for a little bit, just kind of came back up and got out for a really tiny red, and then I went for a reset for either lows or a rollback under the 50. So I took another 5 out on the dump side, and then had a really nice follow through. Pretty much covered right at the bottom there. Potential watching the volume, of course. Just had the follow through, rode this whole thing, the whole wave all the way down, covering up at a nice little 240 is about 25%, about $250 on the day. That's the only trade we took today, so locking that in. P&L posts are always on Instagram at bwalshbuilt for now, so we always post those little guys on there. The other call I had, a good one was on Netflix. It said watch the split short, so that was the big retrace to short and rollover, pretty much top ticked there if you would have followed through on that rollover. And then those are the only 2 trades I was really looking at. Everything else was static, didn't have a lot of follow through, so that was about it. So I'm going to let the day chop through here. I'm going to let it just create a floating doji in the sky, and we'll come back bright and early tomorrow morning and get some good levels and smash right out of the park. So we'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning.